Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Thanks for stopping by. I hope that you'll like this video and please subscribe to my channel so that you can keep on seeing more uploads from me. Today we are going to be completely cleaning and redecorating my daughter's bathroom. So sit back, relax, and enjoy watching me clean. Maybe you'll get motivated to get up and clean your own bathroom, or just enjoy watching me clean mine. Now I know I'm going to get questions on this, but I am cleaning the bathtub with a drill that my husband outfitted with a scrubber brush on it, and it is the best thing in the entire world to clean out grout and soap scum from your bathtub. Okay, so we just got to Target. We're about to go inside and I'm gonna pick out some storage baskets and some washcloths and maybe a couple other little decor things, something like that, because we're trying to remake Chloe's bathroom into something that's a little bit more kind of kid-friendly, I guess. I don't know. Just a reason to do another project. But we're gonna be redoing her bathroom, make it more her own, and I think that we're gonna find some good stuff at Target. So here we go. Okay, so I like both of these. They're the same color. But I can't decide. They're hand towels. She has the matching towel to that one. But I don't think that they don't go, so I think that we could get away with this one. Yeah, I might go with this one. Okay, just got back from Target and got some things for Chloe's bathroom. So a new rug that is pink and white. And it's got the skids, which to have rugs that have the skids on them. Got 2 packs of washcloths. This was a 3-pack, different sizes. We've got for organizing the closet that's behind me. Got a toothbrush holder for her toothbrush holder. A new shower curtain that has a kind of rosy pink and some gold on it. Big baskets to go in the closet as well. So now I'm going to start kind of organizing everything, and you'll get to see the closet, which is, it's a very big mess. All right. Needs to be steamed, but I like it. I think it's going to work out really well for us. Okay guys, this is rough to look at. This is how messy the closet in this bathroom was. But don't worry, we're gonna organize and get it all cleaned up.
think it looks cute.
Thank you guys again so much for watching. I really enjoyed this project. It was a quick one, only took me one day, but I definitely enjoyed filming it and bringing you guys along. Please go ahead and give this video a like if you enjoyed watching it, and make sure you subscribe to my channel. Thanks again. Bye-bye.